Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm going to bring you a quick bonus tip on how to make doors or openings in walls that are shaped just a little bit differently. Let's get started, shall we? So there are two different ways that we can make openings in walls, and that is with a doorway. Click on the door tool, and right here is doorway. And the second is on the window tool down here is pass through. Now I should note that I'm working in Chief Architect Premiere version X16, and I've set up actually 3 doorways here and a pass through. Let me just go back here and delete that one and set up my third doorway. I'm just going to change the shape and pull this threshold up, say about there. Critical to this process is one step in the window default. So I'm going to double click on the window tool here, and right in the general tab of Windows defaults is this minimum separation. That needs to be 0. This window pass-through specification, we're going to uncheck has frame. And then I'm going to move it right up against the doorway. Now I'm going to select the window and the doorway, or the pass-through and the doorway, and mold those together, or merge them together. And that is this little tool right here. In my toolbars, the edit toolbar shows up in the bottom left corner, make mold unit. I can also right-click and right-click on these. What I did was I right-clicked on the pass-through. I'm going to shift and right-click on the doorway, and that pulls up that same menu. Right here is the edit toolbar down here, and we will see make mold unit. And that's one way of making that. Alternatively, I can take this these 2 doorways, shape the second one the way, shape both of them actually the method that I need to, or the size that I need to, and then bump them up together as well. Now let me show you, let's go back to double click on window defaults and show you back to 2-inch minimum separation. What happens if I don't? I'm going to shove these up together, and now when I select both of these and make mold unit, I have that vertical piece there. I don't want that, so let's unseparate those, or separate those. Make our separation 0 again. Now I can bump them up to each other and mold them, and that will make my odd-shaped door unit. Now this is one unit. This is a unit. You cannot change the size and shape of them unless you do explode the mold units and adjust the individual size of those individual units. But once you've done that, put them back together, bump them up together, and make mold units. If you're using the pass-through, it's important. If we don't do this frame, uncheck has frame, and try to mold them together, it will show up with that window frame right there. So that is an important step if you're using the pass-through. So I just found the easiest way is to use the 2 doorways shaped and mold those together. Hope that helps. If you like this, click like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Take care.